Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error 0x80070522, then stick around for the solutions. So basically, there is only one solution to fix this error, and that regards your administrator privileges. So let us go around fixing the administrator privileges, and the first thing we have to do is we have to go to command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Yes. And we have to input this command net space user space administrator space slash active colon yes. So this command will be in the link of this video. Now just copy this command here and press enter. You will get this, the command completed successfully. Fine, that's one step that's done. Now the second step is to go to here, click on File Explorer and click on this PC, C drive, click on Windows and look for the folder System32. Here, this one, System32. Right click on this, go to Show More Options, click on Properties, then click on Security and look for administrators here. It should be written administrators, users, and look if you can give full control for the administrator, or if you can go to creator owner or system and allow full control. This problem should be resolved. I hope this video solved your problem. If yes, please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.